Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share location on WhatsApp. Friends, this is a very useful feature in WhatsApp. With the help of this feature, we can very easily share our current location. So to send your current location, you simply need to open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, open the chat of the person with whom you want to share the location. Now here you need to press on the attachment icon. In attachments, you will find the option of location. Now to share your current location, you simply need to press on send your current location. Now friends, it has shared our current location. So friends, like this you can very easily share your current location on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.